Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel that is Subjectsaholic guys. And whatever you have doubt regarding the article is going to be clear out today because I have made this video for the purpose only to make it very clear for you the uses of the article where we can use it. Alright, so let's start. First use of the article is to denote a definite person or thing. I know that most of the people know this use. All right, so let's talk about it first. To denote a definite person or thing. The is used when the person or thing is already known. Let's see with an example. I met the teacher yesterday. We are talking about the teacher particularly, right? At that time, when we know who the teacher is, who the chair is, who to whom we are talking about the person or about the thing we already know and we are talking about that, then at that particular time we have to use the article. All right, another example is this is the book I told you about. We use the here before book because we know the book already, right? That's why we use the before teacher as well and the before book as well, because that teacher or book is our particular thing or person. Now second use of the is when a noun is mentioned for the second time. Listen here. First time, we always have to use a or n as per the sounds. If there is, yes, if there is vowel sound, then we have to use n, or if there is a sound, then consonant sound basically, sorry, then we have to use a. Or we all know that, right? So whenever we are referring someone for the first time, we are either it is person or thing, then we have to use a or an article as per the sounds. But when we are referring the same person or thing, animal or idea whatsoever, then we have to use the article. How? Let's see with an example. Here, I saw a dog. Here we use, you can clearly see before dog we use a, not the, because that dog is not particular, right? If that dog is particular, then we have to use the. That is the first case. Second case is if you are talking particularly any animal about any idea or thing person, you have to use a or an as per the sounds. Here the is sound of consonant, that's why you use a. Then we have used the. Why? Because we are talking about the same dog. The dog was barking. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. I hope you are getting my point. If you are getting the point, then please thumbs up in the comment box. All right. She bought an umbrella. Here you can see we use umbrella, which is in general form, right? She bought an umbrella, or that is our sound of ball. That's why we use an. But then we have used the umbrella is black because we are talking about that particular thing now, and that's why we use the here. So I hope we got these two concepts clear. First, we have to use the when we have to denote a definite person or thing. All right. And then we have to use the when a noun is mentioned for the second time. Now let's move forward with another uses. The third use is with whole classes or communities, man and women exception. What does it mean? Look at carefully here. You can see, let me tell you. Yes. This is used to represent an entire class. Whenever we have to represent the whole class or entire group of something, then we have to use the article. For an example, here we are talking about rich. We are talking about all the rich persons or rich members in the country or world. Then we are using the before it. Alright, because rich is a category, is a class, it's a community. Again, young. We are talking about here youngster. So youngster is an community group in a country or world, whole world. That's why we have to use the before it. The rich should help the poor. Here, poor is also our community. That is all the poor community, and the old ones also a type of community. All right. So the rich should help the poor. The young should respect the old. But whenever we talk about any particular man or women, like for an example, it's wrong. If we write this, then it's also wrong. That's what I'm trying to say here is we have to use the article before representing any whole class or community, but whenever we are talking about man or women, at that time we don't have to use the article. It will become incorrect. All right, I hope you got it. And let's move towards our fourth use. Guys, if you watch this video till end and if you are understanding each and every point through this video, I hope you will not go through any video on the YouTube then, because in this whole video the use of the article is considering and showing all the points that you don't have to go through any video on the YouTube then. All right. Then there is use of with certain books we can use the is used with famous or holy books. Example, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, or whatsoever. There are any epic books, we have to use the article. All right. Fifth use is with the parts of the body, with whatever part of the body you are talking about. It can be head, it can be toes, it can be fingers, hands. You have to use what? The. He was hit on the head. All right. She injured the leg. Here you can see before head and before leg, because both are the parts of our body. We have used the article. Then there is sixth use, that is with names of oceans, seas, islands, mountains, or whatsoever. Or you can use it with buildings as well. Or whatsoever you can. How can you remember it? You can remember it with the help of water substances. Anything, oceans, seas, islands, rivers. We have to use what? We have to use the, like the Pacific Ocean. Here you can see the Arabian Sea, the Andaman Islands, the mountain. Basically, we can use it even. All right. Then we have with directions, we have to use what? The. The is used with directions. It can be east, it can be west, it can be south, it can be north. The east is hotter than the west. Here, east and west both are directions. That's why we use the article. The sun rises in the east. Here, east is also our the. We use the before east because it's a direction. And why we use sun before the before sun? If you know, you can comment down. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you we used it because with any earthly body, it can be planet as well, it can be moon as well. We use the article. All right, the moon, the sun, the stars, we can use the point, that is with superlative degrees. I think it will be for you. With superlative degrees, we have to use the article. The is used before superlative forms. Here you can see he is the best student. We know best is the third form superlative degree. It's, let me tell you, good, then better, and then we have superlative degree best. All right, this is our comparative degree. This is our positive degree, and this is our superlative. And with superlative, what we have to do, we have to add the. This is the tall. We have tall, that is positive degree. Then we have taller, that is your comparative degree. Then we have tallest, that is your superlative degree. And with superlative, we have to add the. Okay. Ninth use of the article is before comparative degrees. Specific comparison. When there is specific comparison, then we have to add the article before comparative degree. Let's understand this with the help of an example. She is the better of the two girls. Here, better is our comparative degree. Here we have understood it. Good, better, best. Better is our comparative degree. Okay. So here, why we use the before it? Because she's the better of the two girls. Here, comparison is being done, and before comparative, we have to use the. All right. What you have to keep in your mind is, if there is then it's already comparing. At that time, you don't have to use the before any comparative degree. But if there is of instead of then you have to, in comparative degree, then you have to use the before better, or whatever comparative degrees you have to use the. Let me give an example. If there is a sentence, she is better than, she's better than two girls. Here there is word then which is already comparative. At that time you don't have to add any the article before comparative degree. It is correct in its own way. But if there is sentence like this, she is better of the two girls. If there is of instead of then we have to add the article before comparative degree. All right. I hope you got this point. If you don't, then let me know in the comment. I will let you know. All right. And the last thing, that is, the more you read, the more you learn. Here in I have give this example because let me explain you. The more you read, the more you learn. What does it mean? What you have to do is, suppose there is no, let me hide this. Okay. Yes. Now let me tell you. The more you read, more you learn. It is incorrect, because if there is degree that is talking about super, then at that time the second sentence of super is also talking about something superlative, right? At that time we have to add the, all right. So that's why this is the statement, and this is correct one. The more you read, the more you learn. I hope you got this video understandable, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and share, guys, and subscribe our channel for more this type of easy information gathering video. Thank you so much.